Okay, I talked about this in the past, but I'm gonna talk about it again on a different I guess you could say like a different level or so. But I want to talk about like AI because I know AI is becoming really, 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 really big, and there's a lot of questions that come up on just about AI. Like, will AI steal my art, or will it replace me? Or AI have already been stealing my work, and I'm so furious. I'm trying to get it back, or what should I do? Will AI replace visual artists? How can I use it? And I'm gonna talk about that here in this video. And it's kind of gonna be all over the place. I like to warn you guys ahead of time. I do not have notes for this video. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Jeroy Henry. And in the last year, I helped over 900 artists sell their artwork online. Hopefully, we'll be at 1,000 before this month end. And if that happen, you guys will see me dance in this background. I said that before. I would do that. I would dance, and I don't got the best moves. But if we hit 1,000 clients, I'm getting busy in this background. Just be prepared for that. But anyway, with that being said, we're gonna jump into this video. So here's the thing, and this is kind of gonna be all over the place. I want to talk about AI first and foremost. To keep it short, sweet, and simple, I love AI. I love everything about the idea of AI. Like, AI and I myself are friends. We're like super close. And you should be friends with AI too, and I'm gonna explain why. Couple things. First, you do not, I repeat, you do not have to worry about AI stealing your artwork. Let me say this. Can AI steal your artwork? AI absolutely can. But will it really, really, really affect your art career? The reality is it won't. Because here's the thing. The biggest thing that separates AI and you is that AI is computer generated. It's artificial intelligence, and you're real. You're a real person. And people understand that. You see, if somebody go to AI to buy artwork, they was never willing ever to spend top dollar for art anyway. That's just the reality. Like, that's just what it may be. And those who are willing to spend top dollar on art, they're not going to get AI artwork. It's that simple. I'll give you an example of this. Like, someone who don't really care about purses or handbags would never walk into a store like Louis Vuitton and spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on a handbag or a purse. They may go just get a purse for like $20, $30 from wherever, because they just need a purse to carry around so they could keep all of their belongings in one safe, convenient place. That's it. Same with art. If somebody go purchase AI art to put in their home, they were never like serious about spending a lot of money on art. That's what it's like. I have family members who like put art in their house, and they'll get like $50 art pieces from like a little local market of like printed art from the internet or something. I don't know. But it's not nothing like they'll never spend top dollar on a piece. So what I'm saying is, the people that will even purchase AI art is not your ideal clientele, because they're not the ideal people to buy your specific art, because they're not the ideal people to value your art, which means they wouldn't spend top dollar on your work. So if people are buying AI art, that's fine. That's a different market. Like, Louis Vuitton understand their market. They understand their market is people who really value fashion and quality, who understands the craftsmanship that goes into the bag, whatever the case may be. I don't know that much about Louis Vuitton. That's my like disclaimer, but you get where I'm going with this. So they understand that they're trying to appeal to that specific audience. They're trying to appeal to the ones who care about if it's like real leather versus like fake leather, right? Who want the experience. Some people just want a bag. And I'm saying all this to say the same with your art. Some people just want a piece to put on their wall. So do not beat yourself down or get scared thinking like AI is about to replace you. Now, once you understand that you cannot be replaced by AI because of a different market and you human, you need to take advantage of your advantage, which is you being human. What this means is that if you really want to sell artwork at top dollar, you need to start sharing your story. You cannot be the artist online that says, I don't want anybody to know about me, or I don't want anyone to like see me. And if they like the artwork, they'll just buy the art. True. If they like the art, they will just buy the art. But they won't spend top dollar. I can promise you that, because there's no connection between that person and the work. If you want somebody to spend top dollar on your work, they have to get to know you as a visual artist. I've been talking about this recently. In today's time, people love to do business with people. It's that simple. People love to interact with people. They want to know who they're doing business with. Like some of the most successful companies on earth, and the people that created those companies are known. They're out there. They putting their face out there. Like at one point in time, no one knew who was the successful people in the world and what companies they have. Now everybody know. Everybody know who like Elon Musk is. Everybody know who Jeff Koons is. Like, you know these people because they're getting themselves out there, and people believe in people. So I'm saying this to say, if you really want to be AI, you have to put yourself out there more. And at that point, you'll start to build a die-hard fan base around you. And that's what you want. And AI can never replace you. That's the reality. That's the core reality. Now that we understand that, I want to talk about how you could even use AI to your advantage, because if you really want to crush it, you should not be worrying about AI stealing your artwork. But more importantly, the question is, how can I leverage AI to take my artwork to the next level? That's what you want. So I'm pretty sure I'm like 30 videos at this point of me like burping on a video. Anyway, I if it was funny at first, and then I realized like what's going on. Anyway, here's how you leverage AI. If you really want to leverage AI, you need to use AI as like your creative safe space. And think of AI as like a best friend where you get to bounce ideas back and forward with, right? Now, what I hate to see, like I see some artists that are saying like, oh, I'm a visual artist, but I'm an AI artist. Just because you type in a couple prompts and things like that, and then AI spit out a couple different artworks, don't mean you're an AI artist. You didn't create the work. AI created the work. And I truly believe that you're not an actual artist at that point. So I'm just making that very clear. But once again, that's my opinion. And if you know anything about me, I say like anybody's entitled to their own opinion. That's not a fact. That's just my opinion. But with that being said, like if you want to be an actual visual artist, like you have to create your own work. But I think AI is an amazing tool to use to further your work. Like you go to AI, you can ask AI about certain mediums, you can ask them about certain compositions. You can come up with a full idea for your own artwork, and you can put that idea into AI and then let AI spit out ideas back to you in different renderings for you to get some concept from it. It can show you like in different colors, right? Like if you use Midjourney, and then AI can give you a huge range of opportunity for your work and creativity for your work. Like if you have creative block, AI would instantly break that. Like as long as you could think for yourself, like you have to do the thinking first. You can bounce those ideas back and forth with AI, and AI will spit some crazy ideas back to you. Like I'm giving like those who watch this video, all 13 of my views. My views actually have been going down recently. I don't know why. Anyway, for those who do watch this video, as in yourself, this is a cheat code, and you have to take full advantage of this cheat code. Like AI, I talk about like the wow factor. AI could help you identify your wow factor. And I'm not saying you come up with an idea, you put in AI spit an image back to you, and then you go recreate that exact same image. You want to pull different things and ideas and like create creative thoughts from AI and put together a very unique, beautiful piece as a whole. And then when you do that, it's gonna instantly separate you. It's going to separate you. So what am I saying here? I'm saying that AI is not your competitor. It's your partner. It's your ally. Y'all are teammates. And y'all should be working as teammates and understand that even if you felt AI was your competitor, it cannot compete with you because it's appealing to a completely different audience. Completely different audience. And AI would never be able to have that flair, that uniqueness that separates you from everybody else. And that would be your story. Why you create the artwork that you create. Watch that video next. Peace.